Hello, this is a weekly weather briefing for the Arklamis region for the week of September 20th, 2021 from the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. As far as this week goes with the weather, we're starting off with some summer-like conditions with warm and humid conditions, at least early this week. This is coming after a stretch of very rainy weather. We've had a lot of heavy rainfall that was associated with Tropical Storm Nicholas and the remnants. We're looking at a cold front pushing through Tuesday. It could bring a threat for some locally heavy rainfall and be followed by much drier and cooler conditions as we go through the rest of the week. So just kind of talking about the rainfall from the past week, we've had quite a bit, especially across southern portions of the area where rainfall amounts of up to 8 inches fell. There was also some heavier rainfall that fell in the Delta region. So far we haven't had a lot of issues with flooding because a lot of this fell over a long duration, but the ground's definitely pretty soaked. And we've got this cold front coming through Tuesday that could bring some locally heavy rainfall, so we'll have to kind of monitor that for any flooding concerns. But right now we're not expecting a lot of flooding or a lot of river flooding or anything like that. And also we're not expecting severe weather. There could be some strong wind gusts with storms pushing through, but just for now at least we don't expect severe weather. So looking at the rainfall expected with the cold front, we're seeing the possibility of maybe 1 to 2 inches of rainfall over the Arklamis Delta region. As I mentioned, there could be some locally heavier downpours in this area, but overall not too extreme. And then once that front pushes through, much cooler and drier air will be coming in for the rest of the week. Really, it's kind of the first fall cold air intrusion. We're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 70s during the day with low humidity, and temperatures at night dropping down possibly as low as the upper 40s. So if you like fall weather, you'll be pretty happy with the end of the week and going into the weekend. Looking at the tropics, most of the tropical cyclone activity is well off to the east of our area over the central and eastern Atlantic. We're looking at Tropical Storm Peter, Tropical Storm Rose. There's a pretty significant disturbance that just recently came off the African coast and will be pushing west across the eastern and central Atlantic Ocean. At this time, we don't have any concerns for this posing impacts to the Gulf of Mexico region. So overall, not too much concern with the tropical systems in this area. And that is it for the briefing. Thank you for viewing it. These briefings are usually conducted on Mondays and sometimes on Thursdays if we have to update them. If you have any feedback or suggestions or questions, please give us a call at 601-936-2189, or feel free to contact us through social media. Thank you and have a great week.